Hello. So we are July 18th, 2019, and we have a new snack crate.
Woohoo!
The Philippines. Woohoo! Kind of nervous. We know there's something to do with fish of some sort, something that swims. Yeah, not looking forward to that.
All right.
So here, well,
So we have upgraded our box to include a beverage.
I can't see if I'm.
Yeah.
Oops.
Dropping things out.
Oh, sorry for the.
Oh my gosh.
So, yeah, we upgraded to try the drink this time. So we are going to.
What are we gonna?
We'll start with the Sponge Crunch. It is the Oishi Sponge Crunch. Crunchy corn snack that's soaked in rich chocolate. Need my water, Ella.
I need my Mountain Dew, please.
So this is what it looks like. Ella, stop. Can't open it. Oh, it smells like Cocoa Crisp.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
There you go. Throw those away, Ella.
no. Of course.
Oh.
We do clean the floor.
Yeah.
Ooh, they look like little wheels.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay, so you can have that one. Product number 1. Here we go.
Oh.
Tastes just like a chocolate wafer.
Yeah.
It tastes like the Rice Krispies thing, but in chocolate.
Yes, it tastes like a chocolate Rice Krispie bar.
Oh, there's a little bit of like aftertaste.
That one is not bad.
No.
Second is the Boy Bawang. The crispy corn nuts, crispy crunchy corn nuts that are doused in either lechon, manok, or abaduda flavors. No clue how to say those.
This?
Yeah,
Okay.
corn nuts. So yeah, we're gonna be doing these in like 5-minute installments, providing the camera will cooperate. Oh my, would you stop moving it? Get away.
Just leave them there.
It smells kind of like cat food at first.
Oh my god. What?
And
What is that?
it does, it smells like cat food.
Alright. Wow.
It looks like it's supposed to be barbecue chicken. It's got a piece of a chicken. It's got a chicken thigh.
Sorry, that was a work-related question.
Oh. Ooh,
Oh, that was
I
actually,
like those.
yeah. You know what they remind me of? Our corn nuts.
Well, yeah, they're corn nuts. That's what they are.
But I mean, like, by what the flavor?
Mm-hmm.
Is it like a nacho? or-
Chicken flavor, garlic and onion, and natural smoke flavor.
I could do those.
Yep. Okay. So 2 for 2.
Yeah.
Not bad for
Not bad for.
but we had a long ways to go. So we're gonna
Hot mama.
pause here. This is part 1, and then come back for part 2.